Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Hindi CBSE Classroom. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button next to it so that you will get notification whenever I post a new video. I have created separate playlist in my channel for each and every class separately. So please check the description box below and you can select from that. So let's start today's topic. Today's topic is class 3 chapter 13 Mirch ka maza. Maza means fun. Mirch means chilies, red chilies or green chilies, whatever. Mirch means chilies. You can see in the photo that red color. So first let's start. एक काबुली वाले की कहते हैं लोग कहानी, लाल मिर्च को देख गया भर उसके मुंह में पानी. So people tell the story of a Kabuli wala who once saw some red chilies and his mouth started watering seeing it. कहानी मीन्स स्टोरी. लाल मिर्च, रेड चिल्लीज, देख गया भर. आफ्टर सीइंग, भर मीन्स फिल्ड, उसके मुंह में पानी. उसके मुंह मीन्स हिज माउथ गॉट फिल्ड विथ वाटर बिकॉज ही डिडंट न्यू व्हाट इट टेस्टेड लाइक. सोचा क्या अच्छे दाने हैं, खाने से बल होगा. यह ज़रूर इस मौसम का कोई मीठा फल होगा. सो ही थॉट वाओ such a great or good grains, eating them maybe it will give us strength. So he thought this will be definitely a sweet fruit of the season because he didn't knew that it is red chilies and it is very spicy. So he thought it is a sweet fruit because it looked so nice and beautiful, red colored. सोचा क्या अच्छे, दाने means grains, then bal means strength. So he thought if I'll eat this, it will maybe, because all fruits give strength in some way, so it may be this will also give me some strength. Mausim means mausam, that is seasonal. These will be some seasonal fruit. Season. मीठा फल means sweet fruit. एक चवन्नी फेंक और झोली अपनी फैलाकर कुंजड़िन से बोला बेचारा ज्यों तो कुछ समझाकर. So he throwing a 25 paise coin. Chavani means 25 paise coin and showing his bag wide open. The innocent Kabuli wala somehow tried to communicate with the women that was selling chilies. Kunjudin means vegetable vendors, vegetable selling women are called kunjudin. Se bola ek chavani means 25 paise. Jholi means his bag. Phailakar means wide opening, spreading. बेचारा मीन्स innocent. ज्यों त्यों कुछ समझाकर, because he had that language gap in between because those people will talk only in Arab. So because of that he couldn't properly communicate. So he was trying to somehow communicate with the vegetable seller. What he was trying to communicate? He said, लाल लाल पतीली छीमी हो चीज़ अगर खाने की तो हमको 2 तोल छिमियाँ फ़कत 4 आने की. So what he said, if this red colored thin shaped can be eaten, then weigh them and give me these chilies worth 25 paise, that is 4 aane. 1 ana is 6.25 paise. So 4 aane, 4 aane means 25 paise. लाल लाल पतीली छिमी, पतीली means पतली, thin shaped. चीज़ अगर खाने की, this can be eaten, तो हमको 2 तोल means weigh them. Weigh in your weighing scale and give me chimia. Chimia means this chilies worth 25 paise. 4 aane means 4 aane, 1 आना 6.25 पैसा. हाँ यह तो सब खाते हैं, कुंजड़िन झट से बोली. So what the vegetable seller women replied? She replied, yes, this everyone eats this, because she didn't knew he was going to eat as a raw. So she said, yeah, this everyone eats this. और शेर भर लाल मिर्च से भर दी उसकी झोली, and she filled his bag with red chili, because you know chilies are very cheap, and he gave 25 paise. This is like old time story. So 25 paise was a great amount at that time. So she gave a bag filled with red chilies. मगन हुआ काबुली फली का सौदा सस्ता पाके, लगा चबाने मिर्च बैठकर नदी किनारे जाके. Magan hua Kabuli means Kabuli felt so happy because he got so many chilies at low cost. So he sauda means the trade or the what he bought, that was very at less cost. He got so many chilies, so he became very happy that he saved a lot of money. लगा चबाने मिर्च बैठकर नदी किनारे जाके. So he sat near a river bank and started chewing the chilies because he thought it is a sweet fruit. So he went to a nearby river bank and he sat there and started enjoying, and he started chewing the chilies. But what will happen if he start eating chilies? मगर मिर्च ने तुरंत जीभ पर अपना जोर दिखाया, मुंह सारा जल उठा और आंखों में जल भर आया. So whatever, however, the chili, because it is very spicy, immediately showed its effect on the tongue. His mouth started burning and the eyes got filled with water. Turant means immediately. Jeeb means tongue. Apna zor means its strength or its effect on his tongue. The chilies showed their effect on his tongue. मुंह सारा जल उठा. मुंह सारा means the whole mouth started burning. जल उठा means started burning. और आंखों में जल भर गया, जल भर आया, and his eyes got filled with water. Jal has two means. Jal, one is burning, the first one. The second jal is water. पर काबुल का मर्द लाल छीमी से क्यों मुंह मोड़े, खर्च हुआ जिस पर उसको क्यों बिना सदाए छोड़े. But why should a Kabul man show back to a rich chili, or why should he feel he can be defeated by a chili? That cannot happen. A Kabul man is very strong. So what he did, he had spent his money on it, on the chili. So he couldn't throw it without using or utilizing. Why should he turn back, or he cannot be defeated by the red chilies? खर्च हुआ मीन्स ही हैड स्पेंट, जिस पर उसको क्यों बिना सदाए छोड़े. बिना सदाए मीन्स बिना विदाउट यूटिलाइजिंग और विदाउट यूजिंग, ही कैनॉट थ्रो इट अवे. आँख पोंछते दांत पीसते रोते और रिसियाते, वह खाता ही रहा मिर्च की छीमी को सिसियाते. सो बिकॉज ही हैड स्पेंट मनी ही कैनॉट थ्रो इट. सो वॉट ही डिड, विथ वाइपिंग हिज ईयर्स, then grinding teeth, weeping and restlessly he continued to eat chilies. आँखें पोंछते means wipe his eyes. दांत पीसते means he is grinding his teeth because he is feeling very spicy and his whole mouth was burning. His eyes started weeping, and risiate means restless. He cannot sit, the burning sensation all over his body. But he kept on eating this because he had spent money on it. इतने में आ गया उधर से कोई एक सिपाही, बोला बेवकूफ़ क्या खाकर यूँ कर रहा तबाही. So then came a soldier from there and said, fool, what are you eating that is causing you so much trouble? He said tabahi means trouble, or he was scolding, the soldier was scolding the Kabuli wala that what you are eating that is causing you so much trouble and you are still eating it on. कहा काबुली ने, मैं हूँ आदमी ना ऐसा वैसा, जा तू अपनी राह सिपाही, मैं खाता हूँ पैसा. So Kabuli wala replied, I am not a person, because he called him fool. So he said, I am not a person, what you think, you go your way, don't disturb me. That is, you mind your own business. I eat money, that is, he said, मैं खाता हूँ पैसा, I eat money. That is, I am eating because I have spent money on buying the chili. So I cannot waste my money, and so that is it. So just a short poem. What happened? There was a Kabuli wala who didn't knew that red chilies were very spicy, and he thought it is like some kind of fruit that is very sweet and it is a seasonal fruit. So when he saw a vegetable seller selling it, he asked her, is this can be eaten? So she replied, yeah, everyone eats this. Then he said, okay, then give me red chilies worth 25 paise. So she gave him a bag full of red chilies. And what happened? Then he went near a river bank and started eating it. But however, soon the chilies started showing their effect on his tongue. His mouth started burning and his eyes got filled with water. But why should a Kabul man get defeated with the red chilies? So he kept on eating it because he had spent money on it and he cannot throw it. So, with wiping his eyes, grinding teeth, weeping and restlessly, he continued to eat the chilies. Then came a soldier near and he saw this all was happening and he said, "Oh fool, what are you doing? If it is causing you so much trouble, still why you are eating that?" Then what Kabuliwala replied? Kabuliwala replied, "You mind your own business. I am eating my money because I have spent money for buying this chili, so I have to eat it." So that's it. This poem was written by Ramdhari Singh Dinkar. I hope you understood this chapter. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.